Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. I am back again. This is Charnels, and this is Charlene. I'm back. Today is my my late mother-in-law's birthday. It's her 97th birthday today, so even though she's not with us anymore, and I miss her so much, the nicest mother-in-law ever. I miss her so much. On her birthday, we normally go to her house and spend time with her and go out for dinner or something to celebrate her birthday, but we lost her since 2011. So even though she's gone, we still celebrate her birthday. And we just gonna make a simple meal today. So today's menu, I'm gonna make some pumpkin muffin. Pumpkin spice. I bought a pumpkin spice mix. So gonna make a muffin, pumpkin muffins. So I got 1 box of the pumpkin spice mix. What we need is the pumpkin spice mix, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil or olive oil, whatever oil is available for you, 2 eggs, and 2/3 cup of water, and of course my baking pan, muffin cupcake pan. That's my pan. So, and of course, don't forget to get a muffin or a cup, muffin baking cups, or cupcake cups, whatever you call it. It's a baking baking cups. That's what it is. I'm sorry guys, it's this mumbling the words sometimes. So now I'm gonna put the muffin cups on the on my baking pan, muffin baking pan. All right. Since I only have 6 here, it contains 6 cups. So I'm gonna put the 6 cups. Oh my God, giving me a hard time to. There, I got it. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it's hard to take them out. Alright, now my muffin cups are ready. So let's start the job. Alright, we're gonna put 2/3 cup of water. Yeah, 2/3 cups of water, or eggs. And it's just 1/4 cup of oil, vegetable oil, but I'm gonna use olive oil. But you can use any oil you have available. 2/3 cup. How much? 2/3 cup of water. That's what you need. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. So that's 2 ounces. I'm not gonna use this. I'll just use, but I know how much I need to put. Okay, it's 1/4 cup. You know what? I'm just gonna use this. It's 2 ounces of oil. 2 ounces. One-fourth cup of oil. That's probably like 4 tablespoons, I believe. So there's the oil. And now we're gonna mix the pumpkin spice mix muffin. Pumpkin spice mix. So, alright. If you have electric mixer, you can use the electric mixer. I had the electric mixer, but I can't remember where I put my the whatever you call this. Oh, my brain's not working right now. I just took my meds. The whisk. I can't remember where I put. I probably need to buy a new one. Because I'm gonna cook a lot. I'm cooking a lot lately, so I'm doing the cooking sessions on my YouTube channel. So I need to get my my new electric mixer, and also I have food processor, but also I can't remember where I put my blades. I keep putting stuff away, and then I thought I put it in a safe place, but I keep forgetting it. With all the meds I'm taking for my chronic pain and my depression, it's very easy for me to forget things. I kind of like to put a little milk, or half and half, for a little taste. Because I like it with milk. But you can, water, suggested water. But I like it with milk. The taste is really good. Almond milk, soy milk, something like that for vegetarian. Vegan. But of course, eggs. You need to use eggs, so that's not vegan. So it's vegetarian. But when I receive my cookbook, then I will show you how to make vegan food from scratch. From the scratch. Alright, I think it's ready. It's mixed. Now we're gonna get our spoon, or my scooper. So it's easier to put the muffin mix in the cups, on the cups. Let's put it in. Yeah, it's ready to put it in. Okay, and then before you start to mix your muffin mix, you have to turn on the oven and start the heat. I turn it on for 350. I don't know if I can make. I have also blueberry muffin mix, but I don't know if I'm gonna make a blueberry muffin as well, because I'm gonna cook some spaghetti also. A little celebration for my mother-in-law's birthday. If she's with us right now, she's already 97 years old today. So now let's put the muffin mix. Let's see. There. And it says it's on the box, fill muffin cups 2/3 full. So 2/3. But my muffin cups are big. I have a smaller, but I like to use the big ones. My husband loves muffin mix. Shouldn't be eating this because of his diabetes. But like I said, once in a while I give him a treat. But only once in a blue moon. You need to stick with his diabetic low sodium diet. There you go. And I'm gonna limit how much muffin he need to eat a day after this is cooked, because calories is only 280, but the sodium is 450. Not too bad, but it's still high. Come on, Dan, come on. There you go. And I'm gonna cook some spaghetti. And my husband is out for his doctor appointment, so he'll be surprised. He's not expecting me to make something because of my chronic pain. My spine is 10 times worse than the normal, my normal pain, because I spent too much time on the kitchen the other day when I cooked the curry. And it looks like I'm gonna spend a lot of time again in the kitchen making this and cook the spaghetti. But I need to do it because, like I said, even though my mother-in-law is not with us anymore, we still celebrate her birthday, and that make my husband happy. She's a wonderful mother-in-law. We live here in Sacramento, and my mother-in-law's grave is in San Francisco, where the military cemetery. It's the veteran cemetery. That's because my father-in-law was a colonel when he was in the service, so that's why we also put Mom in there where Dad is. So we can't go there right now and visit her or visit her and Dad. Not only because of the COVID, it's because of our pain. But I know they understand us. There you go. Every year, I start from October until, the holiday season. On holiday season, pumpkin is very popular over here in United States. For Halloween, we don't celebrate Halloween, but for Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year, pumpkin is really the main uh, what do you call it? It's just like the most popular on that season. Christmas, New Year, especially Thanksgiving, Halloween. So a lot of people go to the pumpkin patch to enjoy the pumpkins and buy pumpkin pies, all sort of stuff. So there, it's exactly 6 cups, 6 muffins. But this is gonna be big. This is gonna be big because this is a big cups. Alright, let's see. I need this scrape. Let's see if I can use this spoon. It's a little mess, but that's okay. It's gonna look good later on when it's done. Very creamy. This is a treat for my mother-in-law, even though she's not with us anymore. For her birthday. I wish she's still with us. But if she's still with us right now, I don't know how she can cope with the COVID. Alright, it says it's in the box. It takes how many minutes? Standard muffins, 14 to 16 minutes. 10 to 12. So between 14 to 16 minutes. But sometimes oven are not the same, the heat. So you just have to check if it's done after that, before the standard time that they put in the box. There you go. It's ready to put it in the oven. So let's put. Maybe tomorrow I'll make a blueberry muffin. Maybe not today. I'll just gonna be settled, I guess, with the pumpkin muffin. There you go, guys. It's ready to put in, and here we go. So I will see you guys later, and I'm gonna put now in the oven. And I'll show you when it's done, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, I'll be right back.